Mix gasoline with soap. The effect will surprise your neighbors. This is a great method for when your grill won't light, and it's much easier than you think. Once you know this trick, lighting the grill will only take a moment. Start by preparing the soap. Take a bar of soap and a grater with larger holes. Grate the soap onto a cutting board, then transfer it to a small plate. You'll also need a jar for the gasoline. Now take the fuel, but remember to be cautious. Pour 3 tablespoons of gasoline into the jar, then add the grated soap. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the ingredients are perfectly combined. Your fire starter is now ready to use. It works great for grills or campfires. Apply the mixture to the wood pieces, then light it. In just a few moments, you'll have your grill going. Use this method, and you'll never struggle with lighting a fire again.